Good morning, student. Now we had come to a new chapter, that is decimal. About decimal you had already learned in class 4 also, but here it is you have to read here in detail. So you have to know what is decimal. The number written in decimal form are called decimal numbers. The numbers which are written in decimal form are known as decimal number. Example, rupees 50.50. Okay, in this example you see there is a decimal. So this is the example of decimal. Money is expressed in decimal form. You always see that money is always described in decimal form, like 1 rupee 25 paise, 2 rupees 50 paise. So in this way these are the example of decimal. Mostly we use the decimal in money. So in this way you have to write the decimal form. So today we will know what is the place value chart of decimal. Okay. The place value chart of fraction is different and the place value chart of decimal is different. So let's see. Whole number place. Okay. In whole number place it is start from ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. In one place it is 1, tens place 1 0 is added, 100 place 2 0 is added, 1000 place 3 0 is added. And here we write here point. So after that point, now decimal place. This is the part which we use after decimal, and this is the part we use before the decimal. This is here we use the decimal, and after that the what is used? See, tenth, hundredth and thousand. So for tenth it is 1 by tenth, hundred 1 by hundred, and thousand 1 by 1000. So this is the place value of decimal. So in this way we write it in expanded form. Look, this is the way of writing the expanded form. 6321.456. It is written here in this form of expanded form. So it is very easy. I will show you how you have to solve this question. So come to exercise 6.1. Okay. Read the following decimal fraction. You have to read this decimal fraction. How you have to read it? I will show you. I will show you how you have to read this question. The question is 134.45. How will you read this? You will read this like that. 1034. Okay? 1034.45. Okay? How you will pronounce this? 1134.45. In this way you have to pronounce it. Next one is 119.35. 1019.35. Listen, it is written here, read the following, but you have to write it in number name. So if it is written 134.45, so you will write here 134. I will show you how you have to write it. I will show one example. 134 point, and after point we will not write 45, we will write 45. Understand? So in this way you have to write it. 134 point, and after point we don't write same 45, we will write here 45. Same question 119.35, so you will write here 1019.35. So in this way you have to do it. Now write it in decimal form. This question is already in number name. You have to write it in decimal form. So it is written here 1125.63. So you will write here, it is written here 1125. So 1125.6363. So this is the way you have to write here. One more question I will show you. 90 and 19th hundred. So you will write here 90.19. So this is the way you have to do question number. Now come to question number 3. Write the following in expanded form. So from that you have to write this in expanded form. I will show you how you have to write it in expanded form. 3a. It is 259.005. So it is very easy. So look here how I am writing. 2 after before point it is ones, it is tens, and it is 100. So we will write here 2 as 100, 50 plus 9. Okay, in this way. Now put here plus, and this 0 is at tens position, so you will write here 0 by 10. Put here sign of plus, and this 0 is at 100 place, so we will write here 0 by 100 plus, and this 5 is at 1000 place, so we will write here 5 by 1000. So in this way you have to do it. I will show you one more example, that is D number 83.403. Very easy. This is ones, before point it is ones and it is 10, so write here 80, and this is 3, not here plus sign, now 4. This is at 10th place, so 4 by 10th, and this 0 is at 100 place, so 0 by 100, and this 3 is at 1000 place, so 3 by 1000. So in this way you have to do it in expanded form. Now come to question number 4. Write the following in short form. You have to write it in short form. You had already learned about this in class 4 also. The question is 20 plus 3 plus 4 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. So I will show you how you have to write it. I will show question number B for you. The question is 800 plus 90 plus 5 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. So very easy. Write here 8. This is 9. Now this is 5. Now this come after decimal place. So we will write here point. Now 7, 5 and 6. So in this way you have to write it in short form. Okay, I will show one more question. A number 20 plus 3 plus 4 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. So very easy. Write here 2 and 3. Now put here point. Now it is 4. Now it is 7. Now I put here 0 because this 4 by 100 is at 100 and this by 7 by 1000, and there is nothing in tens place. So in absence of tens place we will put here a 0. So in this way you have to do it. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Very easy. Write the decimal shown in the table. This is written in table form and you have to write it in decimal form. So I will show you question number 5. 100 place is 0, 10th place is 2, 1st place is 2, and decimal is 1, 10th is 1, 100th is 5, and 1000 is 0. So you will write here 0, 2, 2. Now put here point 1, 5 and 0. Simple, na? Very easy. I will show you one more 4 B number. The question is 354.709. So simply write here. Very easy. 354.70 and 9. So in this way you have to do this exercise. So please try to solve these questions.